hat with stripes so bright. Imagine that. Jerry was a mouse so clever and sly, with twinkling whiskers and a gleam in his eye. One sunny morning in the house so wide, Tum tiptoed softly trying to hide. Jerry peeked out from a hole in the wall. "Oh, Tum," he squeaked, "I see you crawl." Tum jumped with a start, then gave a small grin. "Don't be scared, Jerry, let's play and begin." So they plotted together a plan full of fun, chasing and laughing from sun up to sun. Through the kitchen they raced across the cold tiles. Jerry nibbled cheese while Tum ran for miles. They tumbled down curtains, they hid under chairs. They dodged rolling spoons and even stray bears. Well, not real bears, just a big teddy one. Oops! In the garden they found a big puddle, splashing and splashing with a cheerful muddle. Tum tried to catch Jerry but slipped with a flop. Jerry giggled and laughed, "You'll never reach the top." Then came a cat from next door so sly. Tum's ears twitched and he gave a small cry. But Jerry had plans clever as can be. He led Tum around in a zigzag spree. They climbed up the tree to see the whole land, the flowers, the butterflies so lovely and grand. Tum purred a tune, Jerry danced in delight. What a wonderful day from morning to night. When the moon rose high and stars twinkled bright, they snuggled together, saying good night.